In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Amazon keyword research using Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Helium 10 and you want to sign into your account. And after you do that, hover over products up top and then hover over find keywords to drive traffic. And here you want to discover relevant keywords and click on magnet over here because this is how you can actually do keyword research for Amazon using Helium 10. Now, once this loads up, there we go. This is how it's going to look like. Here, you basically have to enter in keyword, so a keyword or multiple, of course, and you can do the multiple one in analyze keywords, but over here you basically have to go off a specific topic you want to go off. So first select if you are going for the .com marketplace or any of the other ones over here, click on that and enter in a keyword. So for example, pencil, I'm going to do pencil, and then I'm going to click on get keywords. Of course, there's also going to be some suggestions on here. You can click on that as well. But for me, I'm going to go with a broad one, pencil, get keywords, and I'm going to run a new search, and it's going to start fetching data. And within just a few seconds, you'll be able to see a few things: filters, the summary, and then the actual keywords. So basically, over here up top where you can see the filters, this is where you can actually filter through keywords. Now down here, it spit me out about as you can see, almost 8,000 keywords. So you could filter these by going up here and putting in different data over here and apply the filters, and it's going to filter through those keywords. Of course, this is a bit more advanced, so if you know what you're doing, you can go ahead and do that. Down here, you'll be able to see basically your keyword summary. So the search summary, your keyword distribution, the Amazon search volume, as well as the word frequency. You can see everything over here. And then down here is the juice, where you can actually see the phrases and the keywords and actually do your keyword research. So here you can see different searches on Amazon, and you can see there's a bunch of different ones. All of them have the keyword sales, search volume, magnet IQ score, etc. You can go to the right and see some more data as well. And you can unblur this data over here for ABA, total click share, and conversion share by clicking on it and basically connecting to Amazon, which I also have the video for. So if you don't know how to do that, you can go ahead and watch my video on connecting Helium 10 to Amazon seller account. And then over here, as you can see, you can do your keyword research just like that. You can go ahead and research everything in here. There's like 160 sites basically all filled with keywords, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.